We pretty bored, long day. Feel like killing some subs, so we're gonna start with that one. Obsidian. I'm a recon. This is just all fun. Here we go.
Dude, you hear it starting to come apart.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
smoking.
smoking like a motherfucker.
It's fine.
Nice. Oh, it tripped the breaker.
Hell yeah. That was sweet.
At least you had the fire extinguisher on deck.
Which one? Oh, there we go.
Nice.
Done, sir, done.
Look at that bitch started smoking like that.
When you push the cone, I like that. It's blowing smoke.
Sweet, sweet. Let's do the other one.
Keep pushing it, see if it'll smoke it.
That shit stinks.
You got a razor blade, right? We'll cut them out now.
You want to cut it now?
Well, I'm saying, when we're done with that one, we'll do both of them at the same time. Giggity.
Giggity.